El Natural. That's what they call me. Might be my first fragrance. I call it El Natural by Lamar.
Well, after the 25-point loss in Game 1, the Orlando Magic had a couple of days to think about it and adjust as we arrive at Game 2.
Game 1, it's a disaster, as everybody know, but it's over with. Can't go back in time and get it back.
And we're here again with a situation like we have been throughout the playoffs, having to bounce back from a disappointing game.
Power. Right?
This is like the championship or playing on this level is not just for me. It's like all those people that I knew growing up. You know what I mean?
As game time approached, Lamar Odom of the Lakers continued his pursuit of an NBA title, a goal that's eluded him through the many twists and turns of his 10-year career.
I'm a 29-year-old man, but when I came here, I was a 19-year-old, teenager. I played for the other team in LA.
Odom called Staples Center home right from the start, as a member of a young and entertaining Los Angeles Clippers team that managed to steal a few headlines from the more established Lakers.
What a spin by Odom! A left-handed scoop! It's Richardson up and over from Lamar Odom. Wild play. Oh, what a follow by Odom!
But the Clip Show never lived up to its promise, and Lamar was let go.
And the losing streak continues.
We didn't win too many games. Then all the faces that I was familiar with, I seen them kind of leave. And then I knew it was time for me to leave.
Looking to revive his career, he signed with Miami, joining another group of up-and-coming young players.
We had a brotherhood down there. Playing with a talent like Dwayne Wade was incredible.
Young guys winning some fans here.
Odom helped the Heat reach the playoffs, his first ever trip to the postseason. But after only 1 year in Miami, he was headed back to LA as part of the blockbuster trade for Shaquille O'Neal.
It was emotional to leave there. I was kind of shocked. But after that run that I had, if I had to pick a team that I had to leave to, it would have been the Lakers. It was like coming back home for me.
But joining the Lakers and teaming up with Kobe Bryant was no guarantee of success.
It was up and down first emotionally. It was hard here, especially when we didn't make the playoffs, because playing for the Lakers, they have so much expectation.
Eventually, the team would gel, and with Odom playing a crucial supporting role, the Lakers reached the 2008 Finals.
Rod Modric finds the trailer. Odom who flies in with a left-hand slam.
Of course, as everyone goes to win a championship, but sometimes you surprise yourself. I think last year we kind of surprised ourselves. We came out of nowhere. This year was expectation, and we're back here, and hopefully we can finish business.
This season, Lamar's contributions have come as a sixth man, and one of his best performances came in Game 2 against the Magic.
He's aggressive, looking to make plays on the offensive end. That's when he completes them as a team.
JJ runs it right back at him. Layup blocked by Lamar Odom. Oh, and a block from Odom.
How about Lamar Odom basically showing us a little bit of everything so far?
We're playing exactly the way we played in Game 1. When's it gonna change?
Orlando would answer with a shooting barrage from Rashard Lewis.
Lewis again, open, puts it in. Rashard Lewis, his fourth three-pointer, and he has 18 points in the second period.
You know Lewis is the fire right now. He won 2 in a row, 3 in a row. Right, got offensive rebound, Jay in corner 3, right? So we got to put out that fire.
Odom inside, flips it up and in. Lamar Odom emerging with big plays here in the second half.
Turkoglu tied up, Turkoglu looking. Turkoglu pulls up, puts it up, knocks it down. A two-pointer for Turkoglu.
Buckle up, here we go, folks. The Lakers will have a shot to win Game 2.
They're facing the great closer, Kobe Bryant.
7 seconds left. Tie game, Game 2 of the Finals. Here's Kobe at the top, works on Turkoglu. To the left, Turkoglu blocks the shot from behind.
as the horn sounds.
0.6 of a second remaining.
A lot to the basket for Leo. Carter laid it up, no good. And we'll go to overtime.
100 games to get to this point.
Let's get it.
Every practice, every drill we've been through to get this opportunity to win a championship. Let's go right now.
The Lakers were in search of a big play to ice the game. Kobe Bryant and Pau Gasol were looking to connect.
Pick, repick. Okay? So now even if I hit you on the pinch post, come off, repick it. Now once I go, you slip in.
Everyone standing. Bryant around his screen. Double team.
Bryant looks inside, finds Gasol. Gasol got it. And a foul.
The Los Angeles Lakers are 2 wins from a 15th NBA title.
We did that perfect. You and I were in line the whole time. In line the whole time. So now you don't know what to do. You're not behind me. You're not in front of me. You're right there, parallel with me. The whole defense is cocked towards me and Pau. So he and I are in constant dialogue of what we see, adjustments that we can make on the fly at the right time. It did.
Well, I wasn't going to find this moment, but we found a way to win it, guys. That was really a good win.
We wanted to win this game just to keep the pressure, on them. But we still have to take care of business.